Recent medical research and studies have established that cow milk-based infant formulas, such as Similac and Enfamil, can actually be dangerous for premature babies. Evidence has shown that feeding bovine formula to preemies significantly increases their risk of a dangerous bowel infection called necrotizing enterocolitis, or NEC. NEC is a very aggressive type of bacterial infection that can often be fatal for the baby. Many babies that do survive NEC are left with permanent health consequences. The two leading brands of cow milk infant formula in the U.S. are Similac, which is made by Abbott Laboratories, and Enfamil, which is made by Mead Johnson Nutrition. Abbott and Mead have long been aware of the scientific evidence linking their formula products to higher rates of NEC in premature babies. Despite this knowledge, both companies have made a deliberate choice not to include any warnings on their products about the risk of NEC for premature infants. As awareness of this issue has grown, hundreds of product liability lawsuits are now being filed against Abbott and Mead for negligent failure to warn. Over the last 12 months, around 40 NEC infant formula lawsuits have been filed in federal courts against Abbott and Mead. Nearly half of those cases have been filed in the last 2 months. About the same number of NEC lawsuits have also been filed in state courts in Illinois, where both companies are located. Abbott has already filed a petition with the JPML asking for the federal court cases to be consolidated into a new Multidistrict Litigation, or MDL. The panel will hold a hearing tomorrow to determine whether to grant this request and establish an NEC MDL. If one is created, the most likely venue will be the Northern District of Illinois. Meanwhile, many of the NEC formula cases in Illinois state courts have already been consolidated into an Illinois equivalent of a mini MDL, which is currently being hosted in the Circuit Court for Madison County. Our firm is currently accepting NEC formula lawsuits.